So, I've been feeling a bit all over the place lately, and I figured it was time to get my life organized again. I'm a big fan of planning, and Notion is my go to tool for keeping everything in check. Today, I'm going to show you how I plan my week, set up my monthly routine, and make time for self care. First up, let's start with my weekly planning. I always find that starting the week with a clear plan makes everything so much easier. Here's what my upcoming week looks like in Notion. On Monday, I'll be working on my Notion template project. It's the perfect day to focus and really get into a creative flow. Tuesday is more of the same, still working on the Notion template. I usually start by listing my top 3 priorities for the day, and then I break those down into a simple to-do list. It helps me stay on track and make sure I don't miss anything important. Wednesday is my content creation day. I'll be making real Instagram posts and some Pinterest pins to stay consistent with my social media. I'm still figuring out the whole Instagram thing, so I dedicate a day just for creating content and trying new ideas. Thursday is all about planning for YouTube. I'll write the script, record any audio, and create graphics. Batching these tasks together helps me stay efficient and focused. When everything's planned out, it's easier to get in the zone and be productive. Friday is filming day. I'll be capturing all the footage I need for upcoming videos. It's a fun day, but also pretty busy, so I make sure to plan everything out beforehand. Saturday is editing day. I'll be in full editing mode, probably from morning until midnight. It's a bit of a marathon, but I actually enjoy the process of bringing everything together. Finally, on Sunday is a mix of rest, cleaning, reflecting, and a bit more content creation. I'll do my grocery shopping, film a quick reel, and make another Pinterest pin. But the main focus of Sunday is resetting and getting ready for the week ahead. I also like to plan the upcoming week on Sundays, so I feel prepared and calm. Weekly planning really helps me declutter both my schedule and my mind. It not only prevents last minute stress, but also lets me prepare better and manage my time more effectively. Now let's talk about what I schedule in my calendar every month to keep myself balanced and motivated. First up is solo date day. This is my little treat to myself each month. I might go out for brunch, try a new cafe, or explore a new bakery. It's all about enjoying some time alone and doing something that makes me happy. Another day I block off each month is solitary day. This is a day where I focus on my goals and personal passions. It's my time to reconnect with what's important to me. For example, I might spend the day journaling, setting new goals, or just indulging in some self-care from morning to night. Next, I have my Get My Life Together day. Once a month or sometimes once a week, I dedicate a whole day to deep cleaning, organizing, and catching up on tasks I've been putting off. It's a super productive day that helps me feel more in control and ready for whatever comes next. Lastly, there's Learning Day. I set aside time to focus on learning something new, whether it's a new skill, reading a book, or watching video, or listening to podcasts. It's a great way to keep growing and stay curious. Besides work, deadlines, and appointments, I make sure to schedule activities that help me take care of myself and my mental health. This is so important because it helps me stay grounded and energized. Now let's move on to self-care, one of my favorite topics. First up, grocery shopping. Believe it or not, I actually find grocery shopping really relaxing. It's like a little me time where I can just focus on picking out fresh, healthy foods for the week. Plus, having a good plan for my meals makes me feel more organized and ready to start the week strong. Then there's watching a comfort movie or TV series. Lately, I've been watching Emily in Paris. The story might be a bit silly, but I love the Parisian scenes, the fashion, and just the whole vibe of the show. Netflix is my go-to when I need a little escape. Another way I like to practice self-care is by planning my dream vacation. Even if it's just for fun, there's something so soothing about imagining all the places I want to visit, the food I want to try, and the adventures I want to go on. Even if I'm not sure when I'll actually get to go, it's just fun to dream and plan. Finally, I make time for a daily brain dump. It's made a huge difference in my routine. I take a few minutes each day to unload all my thoughts, whether it's about work, personal goals, or just random things on my mind. I get it all down. This simple exercise helps clear my mind, reduce stress, and keep me focused on what's important. So that's how I organize my life using Notion. I hope this video gave you some ideas for your own planning and routine to get your life together. I'd love to hear how you plan your week or what self-care activities help you stay balanced. Do you use Notion too, or do you have another favorite tool? Let me know in the comments. I'm excited to hear your planning story.